Hello students and welcome to this lesson on fractions. Before we start, I have a funny little math comic for you. Now, say we cut an apple in half. Dot dot dot. We have two halves, don't we? Now, that's fractions! You're trying to teach me fractions! You know, I'll never understand fractions. Wait. I'll never understand fractions. What are you trying to do to me? I'll go crazy! Ow! And his hair is all crazy. Oh boy. Well, lucky for you, I'll be explaining fractions to you, so you'll be more like this guy and not like that gal there. Okay, today our objective is that you can compare fractions using a number line. You can stop and think right now, what do you know about fractions on a number line? Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to go over a practice problem with you, a Mr. Pearson practice problem, and we are going to place some fractions on a number line. This problem says Mr. Pearson eats 3/4 of a pizza. Mr. Flynn eats 1/4 of a pizza. Who ate more pizza? Who was closest to eating a whole pizza? Show the amount of pizza Mr. Pearson and Mr. Flynn ate on the number lines below. Okay, Mr. Pearson. Hey, I know him. That's me. So number lines, boys and girls, can be pretty tricky for third graders. The biggest mistake that they make is that they count the lines here instead of counting the spaces. This area right here is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. You gotta count the spaces. That's what count. You could even think of it like skip counting, like this. It's not really the lines that are important to you right now. So Mr. Pearson, he ate 3/4 of a pizza. So that means he ate 1/4. This would be 1/4. 1 out of 4. 2/4. Whoop, that's 2/3. 2/4. 3/4. Here's Mr. Pearson's right here. You do have to put the fraction by the line. The fraction does not go in the space, even though we're counting the spaces, the distance between this one line to the next. The fraction goes at the tally mark. So now for Mr. Flynn. Mr. Flynn ate 1/4 of a pizza. Let's see. Here he is. And remember, if you are going to start counting the lines, that might trick you. So you want to count the spaces. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 equal spaces. I could say that this is partitioned into 4 equivalent spaces. And Mr. Flynn ate 1/4 of the pizza. I could even draw a pizza here, a long skinny pizza. Mr. Flynn ate 1/4, so that's like this. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. And so it would go right here, 1/4. And who ate more pizza? Mr. Pearson ate more. Mr. Pearson. So hungry! Mr. Pearson ate more pizza. Better explain, Mr. Pearson. You have to explain. You're thinking, oh yeah, Mr. Pearson ate more pizza because 3/4 is greater than 1/4. You can even go like this, 3/4 greater than 1/4 because the alligator mouth, 3/4. The alligator mouth eats 3/4. And who was the closest to eating a whole pizza? Well, here would be 1 whole pizza, which, by the way, would be after 3/4 goes 4/4. Who's the closest to 4/4? Here's Mr. Flynn down here, 1/4. Here's Mr. Pearson up here, 3/4. Mr. Pearson is the closest to eating 4/4 or one whole pizza. 4/4 is equivalent to 1. Mr. Pearson is the closest to eating 4/4 or one whole pizza. He's only 1/4 away. Mr. Flynn is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 away from eating one whole pizza. So, Mr. Pearson is the closest to one whole pizza because he's only 1/4 away. Thanks for your attention, everybody. Good luck and happy fraction time. I hope now that we've talked, you're like this guy and not like that girl. Have a great day. Bye.